Hello engineers, how are you? I hope all is well. In this video we are going to share some tips related to engineering of any branch. If you are first year college student, then this video is especially for you. If you are visiting on our channel for the first time, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icons and select to the option all. Let's start the video. First of all, being an engineering student is challenging, but the payoff is worth it. With your engineering degree, you can find a fulfilling career in a field that excites you. So use these tips effectively. Now let's talk about first tip. Focus on excelling in math and physics courses. Nearly all engineering programs will require several semesters of math courses. Work with your advisor to set up a 4-year plan to complete all of your requirements. You can expect to take several courses in calculus and engineering focused math. You will also need several semesters of physics. Math and physics both rely heavily on learning and using formulas. Work to memorize the most commonly used ones and understand how to apply them. If you are struggling with the concept, ask your professor for help. You can also visit the tutoring center at your school or take the help of other platforms. Talk about second point. Develop problem solving skills to enhance critical thinking abilities. A career in engineering will be based on solving problems, whether that means figuring out how to design a safer bridge or figuring out safety procedure for dealing with chemicals. The sooner you begin thinking like a problem solver, the more successful you will be. Learn to figure out answers for yourself and avoid relying on others to tell you what to do. Now third point, choose the field of engineering that interests you. This is the most important point. There are several different types of engineers. Spend some time thinking about what kind of job you want and then choose your specialty based on that. You can ask your academic advisor to go over the different options with you. Fourth point, take a variety of engineering classes for supplemental knowledge. Obviously, you will spend a lot of time taking classes in your concentration, but make sure to save some time in your schedule to take other engineering classes too. Point 5, take courses outside of engineering to broaden your skill set. Like most careers, engineering requires a wide variety of skills. Seek out classes that will enhance your work as an engineer. Sixth point, attend every class and sit near the front. Engineering courses are challenging and often cover a lot of materials in each class session. In order to succeed, it's important to be present in class both by physically and mentally. Show up on time and be ready to pay attention and concentrate. Seventh point, do the reading before class to feel prepared. Read the entire chapter or section before the relevant lecture. This will help you understand what the professor is talking about. It's also a good way of teaching potential questions that you would like to ask during class. Make sure to take notes as you read. You can note down helpful examples and make a note of anything you don't understand. Eighth point, take good notes so that they are useful to you later. Write down any formula that your instruction indicates are important to know, but take care to write down more than just the math. Your notes should include information about how to apply the math and the logic behind it. Next point, that is ninth point, keep a separate notebook of important information for easy access. There are some key concepts and formula that you will be used in multiple classes. Copy these in your regular notes, but also write them down in a separate notebook. That way you can easily find all of your most important information. Next point, that is 10th number, develop a relationship with your professor so they can help you. Many students feel intimidated by their professor, but try not to be. They are actually there to help you. Take time at the beginning of the semester to introduce yourself to the professor. That way they will know who you are. Next point, Form a study group at the beginning of the semester. Ask some other students in your program or in your class if they want to join your study group. Study groups are beneficial for all students, but they are especially helpful for engineering students. Some of the benefits of working in groups include learning new ways to approach the material, exposure to creative problem solving, experience working with a team which most engineers do, having a more enjoyable time studying. Next point, give yourself plenty of time to study for tests and prepare projects. Don't try to cram the night before an exam. You will end up feeling stressed and exhausted. Instead, make it a habit to review the material each week. Next point, seek out internship to gain experience. Start looking for summer internship early in your academic career. Internship indicates that you are motivated and a hard worker, traits that will make you attractive to potential employers. Internship can also help you to figure out what kind of career you would like to have. Talk to the career center at your school or your advisor or program director for advising on finding an internship. Next point, that is 14th number. Attend extracurricular events to stay current in the field and meet people. Engineering is a field that changes regularly, so it's important to stay up to date on trends and new developments. Last, 15th point. You can also join a networking group on campus that will allow you to meet other engineering students and alumni in your field of study. Find these tips really helpful? Then like the video and share with your friends too. Thanks for watching.